I got a couple of different Heartmath stress assessments I can do with them.
Yeah.
I have a resiliency profile I can do with them. So it helps them kind of understand in a very clear dashboard kind of view how they're doing in their overall wellness.
I see. Okay.
Because truly, if your wellness is in good order, you're going to excel in any job or occupation you want to do.
Yep.
So I really kind of hone in on that wellness aspect with the coaching, even if it's I'm looking at changing careers and I want to do this. I want to get this job. How can you help me as a coach? I will, but it also very closely related to stress and resilience and life balance, which I call life harmony. Just kind of, trying to figure out where you're spending your time. Are you spending it on the right areas? Because a lot of us waste a lot of time on a lot of things that we don't necessarily propel us forward,
right?
Either healthy wise, spiritually, or professionally, right?
Yeah.